So what if I told you this little dome could pan, tilt, and zoom, and even respond to smart sensors, all without taking over your ceiling? Well, meet the Axis M5075-G. It's a compact PTZ camera that's full of surprises, tiny footprint, tons of features, and built for smart environments. First off, it's small, like really small. It's just over 5 inches wide, but don't let the size fool you. This thing covers a lot of ground, perfect for tight spaces, meeting rooms, lobbies, anywhere you need coverage without making it obvious. It shoots in 1080p HD and up to 60 frames per second. So yeah, it's super smooth. It also got 5x optical zoom with an addition of 12x digital. It has autofocus and wide dynamic range, so you get great image quality even in tricky lighting. And it's not just about the video. It runs on Axis's RPEX 7 chip, which means it's smart, like analytics and cybersecurity smart. This is where it gets fun. It supports Z-Wave, which means you can pair it with wireless sensors, motion, door contacts, temperature, you name it. You set it up, so if something changes, the camera reacts. No need for extra wiring or complex triggers. Oh, and it has a built-in mic. It can listen for loud noises, glass breaking, even someone yelling. So it's not just watching, it's listening too. Setup's pretty simple. You got PoE for power and network. It also has a micro SD slot for local recording, and it's all secured with encrypted firmware and Axis's usual solid security features. Mount it, plug it, and it's done. This camera is perfect for indoor setups where you want full coverage without the bulky gear. Think retail stores, waiting areas, smart buildings, anywhere that benefits from PTZ, but it doesn't need a giant rig. Overall, the Axis M5075-G is kind of like your surveillance MVP. It's small, smart, and way more capable than it looks. If you want flexible, smart, and subtle coverage, this is definitely the one to check out. So go ahead and hit us up at wilcoimaging.com if you want to see more of this gear or if you have any other questions. Thank you. Have a great day.